Stop wasting your time on PowerPoint. Most people spend 5 hours designing slides that look like they're from 2005. But what if you could do better work in exactly 60 seconds? Today, I'm showing you the one-click secret to turning any prompt, PDF, or even a YouTube link into a professional presentation using Slidesgo. Let's build a masterpiece. Let's go to Google and search for Slidesgo, then click the very first link. The link is also in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Slidesgo, and this tool makes it incredibly easy to create presentations with AI. Right from here, you can generate a presentation from scratch, redesign an existing presentation, turn a PDF into slides, create a deck from speaker notes, and even generate a presentation from a YouTube link. That's what makes this tool stand out. Instead of jumping between different apps, you get everything in one place. You've also got a lot of control here, from choosing AI models like Claude to picking image styles and presentation settings. And that's great because it gives you flexibility without making the process complicated. And wait until you see how this tool handles YouTube videos. It can save you hours of watch time. Now let's test it out by generating a presentation from scratch. Click on Generate Presentation. And for this example, let's choose Generate from Scratch. In the prompt bar, I'm going to enter the topic, the importance of AI technology in early education. For this one, let's go with 10 slides. We'll keep the language in English, and if you want, you can also adjust the image settings to match your preferred style. Once everything looks good, just press Enter. First, it's going to scan our prompt, find the most relevant information, generate the slides, and then refine the content to make the presentation look polished and well structured. While that's happening, this is also a great moment to show a quick montage of the different templates and styles available, so viewers can see the variety they can get from the same tool. And there we go, the presentation is ready. That's honestly impressive. We created a complete presentation just by describing the topic in one prompt. No manual design, no building every slide from scratch, and no wasting time trying to make everything look good. If you want to make changes, you can click on Edit Text, select the area you want to update, and quickly customize the content. You can also add speaker notes, which is really useful if you plan to present directly from the deck. And when you're done, just click Download. You can export in different formats like PPTX, PDF, Google Slides, and more. For this example, let's choose PPTX. Once it's downloaded, we can open it up and see the final result. And as you can see, it looks clean, professional, and presentation ready. But what if you already have the information inside a document? You don't have to copy and paste everything manually. Just look at this. Now let's generate a presentation from a PDF file. Click on the attachment option and upload your PDF. In the prompt bar, you can type something simple like, create a presentation based on this PDF. Then choose your slide count, your quality settings, and any style options you want, like vector or gradient visuals. Once everything is set, press Enter. In just a few seconds, Slidesgo turns the contents of the PDF into a structured presentation. And that's a huge time saver, especially if you're working with reports, study material, client documents, or long notes. Instead of reading through pages and building slides manually, the tool pulls out the important points and organizes them for you. Once the presentation is ready, you can review it, edit anything you want, save it, and share it with others using a link. And of course, you can export it as a PPTX file and open the final version to see how well it converted your document into slides. Now here comes one of the most powerful features in this tool, generating a presentation from a YouTube video. And honestly, this is the feature that can save you the most time. Instead of watching a long video from start to finish, you can turn it into a presentation and understand the key points much faster. To do that, click on Generate, then choose YouTube into PPT. After that, pick a template that matches your style, paste the YouTube link, and adjust any settings you want. Then press Enter. Slidesgo will first analyze the video, pull out the key details, organize the content, generate slides, and refine everything into a clean presentation. For this part of the video, a really strong visual would be to show the actual YouTube video on one side of the screen and the generated slides on the other, so viewers can clearly see how accurate the conversion is. That side-by-side comparison makes the feature feel even more powerful. And now the presentation is ready. That is seriously useful. We just turned a YouTube video into a complete slide deck without having to sit through the full video and take notes ourselves. Then we can click Export, choose PPTX, download the file, and open the final presentation. This is the kind of feature that's perfect for students, researchers, content creators, or anyone who needs to understand long-form video content quickly. So overall, Slidesgo is much more than just a presentation maker. It's a smart AI presentation tool that helps you generate presentations from scratch, convert PDFs into slides, redesign existing decks, and even turn YouTube videos into ready-to-use presentations. That combination makes it incredibly practical, especially for people who want to save time and still create high-quality work. If you regularly make presentations, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for more updates on AI tools.